What's up, prepsters? Are you ready to blow your math teacher's mind with just your left hand? Hey, keep those comments clean, alright? What I'm going to show you in this video is how to find the sine and cosine of all the major angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Imagine there's a right angle. This is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. And what I want you to remember is radical hops divided by 2. A radical hops divided by 2. Radical hops divided by 2. Okay, so let's start with cosine. Starting with 30 degrees, for example, count the number of hops that it takes to get to the thumb. So that's 3 hops. Then we put that number under a radical, so radical 3, and then we divide by 2. Radical 3 divided by 2. So cosine of 30 degrees is radical 3 divided by 2. For 60, for example, we jump once. In that case, it's radical 1, or just 1, divided by 2. So cosine of 60 is 1/2. Now for sine, what we want to do is we want to count the number of hops that it takes to get from the finger to the pinky. Sine of 45 degrees, for example, it's 2 hops. And that means that sine of 45 degrees is radical 2 divided by 2.